Most of us learned very early to quiet our bodies, to hold our breath, to swallow sound, to stay contained. So if your body has been tight, heavy, or restless lately, it may not need more control. It may need expression. Today's meditation is an invitation to let breath, movement, and sound do what words cannot. Welcome, everybody, to today's meditation. I'm Marybeth Hrim. I'm a mental health therapist. I'm a coach, a runner, and I've created these practices to help you reconnect with your body as a living, expressive system, not something to manage or perfect, but something to listen to and trust. This is day 3 of week 7 of the Living Unmasked series, and today we're exploring movement and sound as a way to release performance and let the body speak in its own language. If these meditations help you feel more connected to your body, your breath, or your inner world, I invite you to please hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel as I share these practices that support embodiment, nervous system regulation, and living unmasked in ways that feel human, not performative. Now, let's begin. Find a position where your spine feels supported but not rigid. You can be seated or lying down, whatever allows breath to move freely. Begin to close your eyes if that feels safe. If not, just gaze down. Place a hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. Take a slow breath in through the nose and sigh it out through the mouth. Let the sigh be audible. Again, inhale gently and exhale with sound. Out loud, just honest. Let your body feel that vibration. Now we're going to invite breath to travel. Inhale into the belly. Exhale with a soft ah. Inhale into the ribs. Exhale with a gentle Inhale into the chest. Exhale with a longer sound. Whatever feels natural. Notice. Sound is not effort. It's release. As breath and sound continue, notice if your body wants to move. A sway, a shoulder roll, a stretch, a bend. Let movement follow sound, not the other way around. You are not choreographing this. You are responding. At some point, you may notice a thought. This feels awkward. I sound strange. What if someone heard me? That's the inner audience. You don't need to argue with it. Simply return to the body. Return to the breath. Return to sound. Return to sensation. Let expression matter more than appearance. Now deepen the breath slightly. Inhale through the nose. Pause briefly at the top. Exhale through the mouth with a sound. Let the exhale be longer than the inhale. This tells the nervous system it's safe to let go. If emotion rises, warmth, sadness, relief, let breath and sound carry it. You don't need to name it. Imagine your body saying, "This is how I feel. This is what I've been holding. This is me without editing." Movement may grow. Sound may change. Or everything may become very still. All of it is expression. Let this curiosity live in you. What wants to be expressed when I stop monitoring myself? No answer needed. Just experience. Gradually let sound soften. Let movement slow. Not because you're stopping it, but because the body has said what it needed to say. Notice the quality of stillness now. More alive, more settled, more real. Place one hand on your heart again. Feel the warmth, the vibration, the presence. This kind of expression doesn't require privacy, perfection, or permission. It requires listening, and you can return to it anytime. Through breath, through sound, through gentle movement. As this meditation comes to a close, take one final breath in and release it with a quiet sound. And remember, your body does not need to be quiet to be wise. It does not need to be controlled to be safe. And it does not need to be watched to be real. When you're ready, open your eyes or lift your gaze. Carry this truth with you. Expression is a form of honesty. If you'd like more practices that invite your body to speak through breath, movement, and sound, I invite you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I share these meditations to support embodiment, nervous system health, and living unmasked. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Thank you for letting yourself be heard. Until next time, I'm Marybeth Hrim.